Dear guests, we have landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Please be informed that your arrival will be at Terminal 2. For your safety, please remain seated and all belongs with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Archie Tan, First Officer Marcos Mariano, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. For passengers traveling with infants and were given infant life vests, please return them to the cabin crew upon deplaning. Thank you. Sa mga mahal naming panauwi, kalalapag lang po natin sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Tayo po ay patungong Terminal 2 para sa inyong maayos na pagbaba. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, manatiling nakaupo. Hanggat ang eroplano ay hindi pa ganap na nakahinto at kayo ay napigyan na ng pahintulot na bumaba. Mag-ingat po sa pagkuha ng anumang bagay na maaaring mahulog mula sa overhead compartment. Bago po kayo bumaba, tiyaking nasa inyo ang lahat ng inyong kagamitan. Isang karangalan na kayo ay mapagsilbihan at inaasahan na